I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can check a PHP version on Onhostinger. So what you're going to have to do here is, so I'm going to go and select the website. I'm going to go to manage here. Now let's say for this website, we're going to have to go to advanced here. So let's click on advanced. And then here, we're going to have to click on PHP info. So here, right over here, we're going to see PHP info. So please click on PHP info. And from here now, you're going to see your current PHP version right over here. So PHP version, okay? You can also see the system, build date, build system, build date, build system, configure command, and other details here. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. And subscribe for more. And if you have more suggestions for the next video, let me know in the comment section.